Today I'm going to demonstrate how I go about growing wheatgrass. I'll start with a plastic nursery tray, and I like to put in about 8 cups of soil, 6 to 8 cups of soil. Now it's important to use the soil that has good drainage and has a good organic content to it. And I like to put about an inch of soil on the bottom of the tray. Some people like to use less, some like to use more. And you can also grow wheatgrass without soil using a baby's blanket or paper towels. I like to use a good organic sterilized soil with some peat moss in it. The earth provides us with vibrational energy, which when the wheatgrass grows, that energy transfers into the grass and I believe provides you with a much better and healthier product. So once the soil is spread, I like to flatten it down with another tray, just a little bit, help spread the soil a little easier. And the soil should be damp, not saturated, and we'll just soak that down a little bit. Use the sprayer here, and what I use is distilled water and ocean solution. Now ocean solution is one of the best products you can use in feeding your wheatgrass and growing. Great product. The ocean solution carries in it most of the minerals that you'll find in the world, over 90 different minerals and microminerals, and by applying it to the wheat as it's growing, it's actually able to feed, and the wheat can take up all of those minerals. Now I've got a bucket of sprouted wheat here. This has been sprouted for a day and a half. I've got enough here to plant about 10 trays, and so I'll take approximately 3 to 4 cups of the sprouted wheat and spread it over the bottom of the tray. I like to cover it quite evenly and have it a depth of 2 or 3 seeds deep. And so the seed is spread evenly on the bottom of the tray, on top of the soil, the organic soil that has been spritzed with the ocean solution minerals. Just a little bit more there. And then what I like to do after the seed has been spread, I'll take my sprayer and give it another fairly good spray just to really soak down the seeds. Now the seeds have been sprouting for 2 days, and the little tails on the roots now are about 1/4 of an inch long to 1/2 an inch long. The seed is just starting to sprout, which I'm finding is about the ideal time to plant. But it's very important to keep it moist. If you can't keep it moist, the seed will dry out, and of course your germination will cut down. So I'll soak that down. I'll take my tray again, and I will press that seed deep into the soil. I find by pressing the seed into the soil, it helps to keep the seed moist. The moisture in the soil is able to stay in contact with the seed, less chance of drying out, and you will get a higher yield because of better germination. Then just one little more spray on top. And that's how it looks. Now what I'm ready to do is cover the tray. I use a plastic cover, and then the dark cover on top will keep the sprouting seeds dark for 2 to 3 days until the sprouts are about 1 inch long. then I'll remove the cover and allow sunlight to it, in which the seed will start to absorb the energy from the sun and developing chlorophyll, which is probably one of the biggest things in wheatgrass that is good for you. So there's my procedure in growing wheatgrass.